Hello guys, how's it going? It's Jonathan Glazer here, and this is my 48-hour income system review. I had the pleasure of going through this. It's a very interesting method, um, and pretty much what it is it's just a case study that shows you how a complete newbie to online was able to, his name is Jeff Grow, was able to generate $400 in 48 hours. So it's a documented case study. He has all of his proof and how he did it, all in this course. So it's very interesting. We're going to go over what exactly it entails. We're going to show you my bonuses. I'm going to show you the back office, and then we're going to talk a little bit about the upsells. So, everything you would expect from a review video. So, I'm going to try and keep this as short as possible. So, just bear with me, stay to the end so you can see my bonuses, see all the value you're going to get, and then, you're going to be amazed when you see the price that is being offered. So, let's go and start with, what, the first question you probably have on your mind, which is, does the 48-hour income system work? So, and what exactly is it? So, going through it, it was very basic strategy, nothing too complicated. You've probably seen training like this before. I have. So it's typical standard type affiliate marketing stuff, where you find a high converting offer, and then you build kind of a sales funnel around it, and then you offer it to people to get them to click and build your list, and then if it's a high converting offer, you're going to get the commissions from that. So that's basically what he's doing, but he put a little twist on it. So it's kind of a strategy that is different in a way. Not a lot of people are using it, so you're going to get you're going to get a lot of value, and you're going to build an audience, and you're also going to build your list from the method that he shows you inside this. So you're definitely going to get some value, especially if you're just coming into the industry, or if you're just already in the industry and looking for new ways to build your audience and build your list. This is going to be a great course for you to get a hold of. So I got a lot of value out of it. Going through it in the beginning, I was getting kind of skeptic because it just looked like another rehash course. But once I got towards the end, I saw his results, I saw how he's promoting everything, and the content and everything. I was like, okay, this is definitely going to help people. I'm going to go ahead and continue with this, and I even learned a little bit, so it was a win-win. So the next thing is, you're going to be wondering, of course, is there upsells? So yes, there's upsells. Again, they're not necessary to see success with this course for the 48-hour income system, but they're going to help you speed it along a little bit. It's going to make everything a lot easier. So the first one is an all-in-one package. There's two things you're going to get, which is a done-for-you sales funnel plus another case study. That's going to show how he got his first $1,000 day. So it's going to help you tremendously. Again, it's not needed, but it will definitely help you. And then the second one is you're going to get 100% commissions across the board, or across the entire funnel of 48-hour income system, and that'll be effective 4 days after the launch ends. So that's to be fair to the affiliates that are promoting it now. So depending on when you're seeing this video, if you snag that, it might be available right away. But if you're watching this during the launch, you're going to have to wait 4 days for that to go into effect. So there's that. And you're also getting access to another funnel from Commissions Typhoon, which is a very popular course. It converts very nicely. So you're going to get 2 for 1. So excuse me one second. Sorry about that. So those are the upsells. So next we're just going to take a look at the bonuses. And so you're going to get bonus 1 is of the 10K email manifesto. So it's just a short little PDF, and it's put together by Brendan Mace, who is probably very familiar name. He is crushing it right now online. He's doing very well on the Warrior Plus. He's made up to 100K per month on Warrior Plus, so he knows what he's talking about, and he's got that little put that together for you there. The other one is banking with bonuses. This is very important because this is going to increase your profits and get more people, persuade more people to purchase from you by offering them bonuses, such as I'm doing right now. And then it's also put together by Brandon Mace. And then another one is 6-figure swipes light. So it's pretty much is going to be access to email swipes that get a lot of opens and have gotten a lot of conversions. So, and without the work of doing it. So a lot of people don't really excel at writing emails. It's difficult for them. So this is going to help you with that, especially with this method. And then the solo ads. So this is going to help you with your solo ads and build your list, which is also he goes over a little bit of that inside this course too. This is just going to give you a little more insight on how to actually build your list and profit with solo ads. And then I put together a couple of my exclusive bonuses, which is an Art of the Giveaway course, and that's very similar to the first one, but it's going to go more in depth. It's going to give you a more walkthrough, step-by-step, how to pick offers, build a lead magnet that you can build a list around, and then offer offers in the back end. So it's pretty much what we call a self-liquidating funnel, and it's going to show you how to do that. So you can use that to purchase ads, solo ads, anything like that, or anything to fund an account. So it's called a self-liquidating funnel, and it's going to help you build one of those. And then another method that works really well for me is YouTube. So I'm going to show you my 3-step method that I use to rank my YouTube videos, and that's going to be done in Overnight YouTube Sensation. And then to top it off, I'm going to give you another YouTube technique, which is running YouTube ads to your videos. So it's super targeted traffic to your videos. You're going to see how to set that up and to stay compliant so that you don't get your ad shut down. So that's going to be another video or another course I'm offering. And then I forgot to include one, but there's going to be another one by Brendan Mace called 0 Hour Workday, which is it's going to show you just how to consolidate all your work and leverage your time and while making profits online, so you don't have to be stuck behind a computer all day. So those are the bonuses that's coming with the system. Now we're just going to take a short look at the back office and then wrap this up. So here is the back office to the 48 income hour system. As you can see, it's very short. It's simple. It doesn't take long to go through. It's easy. You can go through this in the next hour or so and then be implementing everything that you see. It doesn't take a lot to do. So you're going to get a welcome video here. You're going to get the setup, how he sets everything up, how he goes through his promotion, and this is the document. This is the proof right here. It's going to show you all the proof that he got. So it's going to show you that he got the $400 in 48 hours. He's not just blowing smoke out of his you-know-what. And then here is where I learned some stuff. There's some really helpful tips in here. Lots of gold nuggets in there, and then access to the bonuses in there. So it's really not that difficult. It's a very simple system that anyone can implement, even if you're completely green behind the ears, if you're new to affiliate marketing or anything like that. It's going to be something you can get into and start earning with right away. So I hope you see the value in this. The next thing to do is to click the link below and snag this. There is going to be an early bird special at $9.95. So I mean, you're getting just incredible amounts of value for less than you'd pay for, what is it, a venti coffee at Starbucks. I don't drink there, but anyways, you know what I mean. So $9.95 to get all this, and the price is going to go up, and it's just going to be under 13 bucks. So no matter what, you're getting an incredible deal. So snag it, click the link below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and talk to you very soon. Have an awesome day and enjoy.